Yo, 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 what's up YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and today I got a review for you on the Milwaukee heated gear. And as you can see, I have it on here, and it is red. It is illuminated red. I'm kind of having a hard time getting in the frame there. I always have those issues. However, you know, it's cold out here today. The weather is bitter. If you're from the Midwest, or if you ever lived in the Midwest, or you know, you might have heard of this thing called the Hawk, and the Hawk is out today. Let me tell you, it is cold out here. I want to give you a pro tip before I kind of get into the review here. The pro tip is I have this bag right here. Milwaukee gives you a lot of different bags with a lot of different tools, and I have this bag right here, and it's a Packout. This one right here, this is my clean bag I keep in my truck. This right here is my dirty bag, and I keep my chargers in here as well. So when it comes time to charge my batteries, I just grab that whole entire bag, take it to an outlet. Here at this house I'm working on today, I would just charge my batteries as I'm working and keep cycling them through, getting all my batteries charged. But in the heated gear here, in the back pocket here, I have a little pocket, and back in here is the actual battery. And the cool thing about it is this one right here is a charger. It charges your phone, it'll charge your laptop, I do believe. You can do several things, different things with it. But I have a 12-volt battery on here, and it tells me a battery level. So my battery level's on 3 there. And I had this one. I feel like this is the one that came with the jacket right here, and I had this one plugged up at first, and it doesn't have any other little chargers on it whatsoever, as you can see there. But this one right here, I started a stopwatch. I had my stopwatch running. I got to a 14-minute mark and I still didn't feel the heat, so I changed it to this one right here, and after 2 minutes I felt the heat. What I was really looking for before I started this video was an opportunity to want to take the hoodie, the jacket off. And even though I have this hoodie on underneath the vest here, you know, I can still feel the heat primarily on my back more than anything. I read the instructions, you know, and they said that basically the first setting, which is the red setting, and then you can hit it again to go to a white setting, if you can see that there, and then you can hit it again to go to a blue setting. So the red is 2 hours of heat, the white is 4 hours of heat, and the blue is 6 hours of heat, which is the blue is the low setting, white's the middle setting, the red is the highest setting. But I got it on the red. I have multiple batteries. As I mentioned, I'm about to go plug my batteries up to make sure my batteries stay charged so I can do the job, do the work and everything. And hey man, you know, I also want to mention before I get too far in this video, in the description below you'll see where you can buy me a cup of coffee. That's my Cash App. I'm freezing today. I need a cup of coffee. Could you buy me a cup of coffee? But I mean, honestly, that's it really. You know, I got the heated gear, the jacket as well with the sleeves and everything, and I've had that on out here in the cold weather, and it's it works pretty well. This one works pretty well. I would give it a thumbs up. And you know, honestly, it's one of those situations where you got to be prepared, you got to be ready, you got to make sure that you are prepared for any type of conditions when it comes to working. This vest right here, I like it because I'm a little bit more agile and mobile when I'm actually working versus the coat. It's a little too heavy. So the vest serves a great purpose. The jacket serves a great purpose. And if you haven't got the Milwaukee gear yet, make sure you run out and get it. But that's my review. That's how you use it. That's my pro tip for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.